So a man decides to be a sperm donor to somebody he had a one-night stand with, an older lady. She says she wants to have a family. He don't got to be involved. I just need your sperm. He agrees, gives her the sperm. All stuff. Bitch, why is the baby not his? After all that, the baby is not his. And I know that girlfriend said, if you don't test that motherfucking baby, that baby don't look shit like you. That's all I know.
My name is Lashina Williams. I'm a Maryland family law attorney. And looking at this case, there's two major issues, I think. First, it's, well, if he signed up as a sperm donor and if he signed that birth certificate, at least in Maryland, that's his kid. That kid could be a completely different ethnicity and it's still his kid under the law. So I think that's kind of a problem. Especially for him, especially if things aren't working out and she appears to be going a little nutty, that's an issue. The second issue with this video is the whole new relationship punishment situation, where now that he's moved on, right, mind you, they were never together, but he's moved on, whether financially, mentally, emotionally, whatever. Now all of a sudden, he can't see this kid, and now all of a sudden, he's the worst person ever, and this new person is just gonna be an issue, right? That happens a lot. It happens across like financial backgrounds. It happens depending on how many kids you got. It just depends on that change that abruptly makes the nest no longer safe. And now there's all these access issues and problems. And she's gonna bring up the fact that you're not even that kid's father every chance you get, even though 9 times out of 10, you might end up on child support anyway. So you gotta be careful. You gotta be careful who you have babies with, even if it's out of the kindness of your heart.